In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Scratch, which allows you to make your own computer programs. Hi, if you want to start learning how to make your own computer programs, you've come to the right place. This video will show you how to use Scratch, which allows you to make your own computer programs. After this video, you'll be ready to make a simple video game. If you don't know what coding is, you might want to check out my video on the definition of coding. If you're ready though, let's dive right in. First of all, you're going to need to use a computer. Once you have that, you just need to go to scratch.mit.edu on your web browser and then click Create. Now you are in the editor. You just have to click this X and you're ready to go. Things might look unfamiliar at first, but here's a quick tour. On the top right, you will see the stage where all the action happens. You can click the green flag to run the program. On the bottom, you can select characters or sprite to put code in. On the far left, you can move blocks in categories onto the middle to make up scripts. You can also add sounds and costumes. Woo! Right now we have the cat selected, so let's make our first program. Start by going to Looks and drag out a say block. Let's change the text to say, Hello World. Now click on it. The cat says, Hello World. We just made our first program. Let's have the cat say Hello World when we click on the green flag instead. Go to the events, drag out when green flag clicked, and put it up on the top. Now, when we click the green flag, the cat says Hello World. Finally, let's have the cat ask us our name and greet us. Go to Sensing and drag out the Ask block. It should already say, What's your name? Now, click on the green flag. You should be able to type in your name. To have the cat greet us, go back to Looks and drag out the Say block. Now go to Operators, drag out a join block where Hello is and one where Banana is. Your code should now look like this. Now change the first apple to Hello and make sure to leave a space. Now go back to Sensing and drag out Answer into the second apple. The block Answer contains what we put into the second question we were asked. Now change Banana to an exclamation point with no space. Now click the green flag and the cat should greet us. Great! This is one of our first programs. If the code doesn't work the way you want it to, check your code against mine. Everything should look exactly the same. If there is a problem in your code, it's called a bug, which we'll talk about in the next few videos. You can also try playing with the code to see what happens. If you want to save your program, you can do that in 3 ways. First, you can go to File, Save to your computer to download the code to your computer. You can then reload it again by clicking Load. You can also create an account on Scratch by clicking here to save it to the cloud. Lastly, you can get the offline version of Scratch at scratch.mit.edu/download. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about coding, hit that subscribe button. Next video, I'll show you how to make your own video game. Be there or be MC squared.